Hello friends, I am Hardik from Gujarat. Today I am here on this channel to share one of my stock market related incident. We all are in search of a good stock for buying or a good stock for selling. So I am also in search of such stocks. In that process, in September 2020, I was searching on a Twitter of Mr. P.R. Sundar, a well-known stock market analyst. I followed him since many years. So I saw a tweet regarding Maruti Suzuki strategy. This is his tweet about Maruti strategy that plus 5 calls of 7300 calls, minus 10 7600 strike price calls, and minus 1 8000 call strike price. Again he added no downside risk, upside risk is only about 7900. So I thought for a while, what should I do with Maruti, because I cannot do such kind of straddle in my account. So I thought to buy, either to buy or to sell. So one of my friend who is a well-known analyst in Chennai, Mr. Rajshekhar, whose Twitter name is N.R. Sriram. So I contacted him. Sir, what should I do? Should I go for Maruti or any other stock you suggest me? So he suggested me, after 10 minutes, he said me, give me 10 minutes, I will message you or call you. After that, he suggested me to buy Ashok Leyland. At that time, Ashok Leyland was at 65 to 68. Exactly his message was, investment by Ashok Leyland 65 to 68 for 3 months. And he told me that Maruti would go down. At that time, Maruti was trading around 7200. In September, around 4 to 16 September. All these things is available on Mr. N.R. Sriram Twitter wall. So he gave a poll to all his Twitter followers. Which one is best for selling PE? Which one is best for selling CE? Here PE is for puts and CE is for calls, everybody knows. Which one is best for buying PEs and which one is best for buying CEs? He gave a clue. Unable to guess? Clue, both are in Nifty. So he was talking about these two stocks. One is Maruti Suzuki and one is Ashok Leyland. According to him, Ashok Leyland is a pure buy for 3 months and Maruti Suzuki is a pure sell for 3 months. Now, I am going to give you a result of what had happened after that. I will give you a clear picture of Maruti Suzuki and Ashok Leyland price. So, here is a final picture of all the expiries starting from September to January. At the end of September expiry, Maruti was 6327.76 from 7200 and Ashok Leyland is 67.60, still at buying price. In October, Maruti was 7092.73 and Ashok Leyland is 80.45. November expiry, closing price was of Maruti 69552.25 and of Ashok Leyland 89. In December expiry, Maruti price was 7659.38. At the time, Ashok Leyland was trading at 95.55. And at the end of January expiry, Maruti was 7802.23. At the same time, Ashok Leyland was at 112.55, almost doubled from his suggested buying price. Both are in auto index. If suppose someone tell you, on which stock will you bet on Maruti or Ashok Leyland? Definitely your answer will be Maruti Suzuki because it is a renowned stock, very big name in auto index. But here Mr. Rajshekhar has proved that all these three expiries, Maruti, was in sell and Ashok Leyland is in pure buy. I don't think any of you have noticed this kind of observation of these two stocks. If you have invested in Ashok Leyland, your money would be doubled. Or if you have bought just 4 puts of Maruti and 4 calls of Ashok Leyland, imagine what would be the amount today. So again, I am telling you, I will coming with more and more videos like this of Mr. Rajshekhar calls, and within 1 month we are planning to give fresh calls on YouTube channels. So all you have to do is subscribe this channel and like this video and share this video to as much as you can, so that this channel be popular and you will get all the videos in within short time. Thank you very much all.